9 out of 10 diets you try will fail. However, that's not because you don't have the willpower to follow them. It's because they were never meant to work for your metabolism. To lose weight, you need to eat fewer calories than you burn. This will create an energy deficit, also known as a calorie deficit. To cover this calorie deficit, your body will use your fat reserves, causing you to lose weight. The question that people face is, how many calories should I eat to create a healthy calorie deficit? Activity trackers and formulas are on average 25% off. That means that when they give you a reading of 2,000 calories, it can actually be anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 calories. You may be eating too many calories, which means you are not losing weight, or too few calories, which may be slowing down your metabolism. Metabolic analysis with PNOE is the most accurate method for overcoming this problem. The PNOE test will tell you exactly how many calories you burn and take away the guesswork of figuring out how much you need to eat to lose weight healthy and sustainably. As you lose weight, your body will slow down its metabolism, meaning it will start to burn fewer calories than normal. It does so because it's programmed to survive, and it will try to use less energy since it's receiving less. A metabolic slowdown will make weight loss harder, as burning fewer calories means you need to eat less to maintain the same calorie deficit. The good news is that you can prevent this by following a workout plan that's personalized to your metabolism. The PNOE test provides you with the optimal balance of cardio, HIIT, and resistance training that will maximize the speed with which you lose weight but also prevent your metabolism from slowing down. The test also pinpoints the exercise intensity and heart rate where you burn the most fat, as well as how effectively you burn fats and carbohydrates in different exercise intensities. This allows us to prescribe the optimal breakdown of fats, protein, and carbs for your metabolism. A nutrition and workout program that's tailored to your metabolism is the fastest and safest way to healthy and sustainable weight loss.